We've talked many times about our challenges with pastured poultry because we have natural predators from the air, namely the red-tailed hawk. And we were out here yesterday and we found evidence where we had another attack. Yeah, I've already cleaned this up, the carcass up here, but as you can see, we had another attack here. We've lost several of our laying hens from hawk attacks. Even we have a rooster with the chickens now, but we still continue to have them. And I think that, you know, there's really nothing at the end of the day you can do about that. That's just part of the process, and we just keep a whole bunch of chickens. So that's the only way we think. That's the only thing we know how to do. Y'all have heard me say we're getting low on our laying hens, but I had a good friend call just yesterday, and he's got about 15 laying hens that are less than a year old that he doesn't need. He's got too many, and so that's going to work out really good for us. We're going to hopefully get them this weekend, so that'll be great to add those to our laying flock here to hopefully go ahead and increase our egg production. All right, so we got the cows moved up here to the front paddock. We got the float valve moved to this stock tank. Now we got to go get a hose pipe to go ahead and connect to the water source. So we just moved, Jason and I just moved the cows from all the way at the back of the property to the front, back to the front. So they're up here now by the barn and sheds and everything up here by the house. And it went perfect, no problems. The cows are ready to move and they're up here in their new paddock. Everybody's here, we're good to go. Went great. So Jace, Mama said she was making breakfast burritos this morning for breakfast. We love that. We love breakfast burritos, especially after a morning of chores. I'm hungry. I'm ready to eat breakfast, aren't you?
Mm-hmm. This is a safety zone.
Breakfast burritos. All right, Jace. Breakfast of champions here this morning. You did a good job moving cows. Now it's time to eat. Breakfast burritos. We love these. Thank you to the farmer's wife for making breakfast burritos. Jace. Samuel just woke up. A sleepy baby boy.